This is our first morning here, and we discovered last night that this courtyard with the orange grove is right outside our balcony. This is the courtyard I've seen on YouTube with musicians playing in it, and apparently it is possibly part of a hospital. We've heard sirens all morning, so it says emergency on the building. In the distance you can barely see some mountains. It's pretty hazy this morning. We'll venture out today. We've just gotten up and get around.